Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Abdullah.
Okay, can I ask you some questions, Abdullah?
Yes, of course you can.
Where do you live?
I live in an island outside New Zealand.
Oh, is that nice there?
Yes, it's very nice there.
Do you have a big family?
Yes, around 300 persons.
Oh, that's very many people.
Yes. Where do you live?
I live in the sea. I'm a jellyfish.
Oh, is that nice in the sea?
No, it's very cold.
Okay.
Do you like to swim?
No, it's actually like to swim. Okay.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.